Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Today we are going to talk about dropshipping and why it's useful. This video is intended for beginners, so if you're an intermediate or an expert, you probably don't want to watch as you know all this information. For the beginners, dropshipping is essentially a fulfillment model that a lot of people are doing right now on the web, average Joes, that people are now able to purchase products individually from a manufacturer or a wholesaler or other supplier and then ship them directly to a customer somewhere. It could be within the United States or in Europe or somewhere else. What this means is that instead of selling goods to your customer in a traditional way, where you would purchase the stock first and then you'd ship it to your customer from your warehouse, you can expedite the process in drop shipping and have it shipped directly to your customer from the supplier's warehouse. In a nutshell, what that means is that drop shipping provides you with a way to become a middleman. It's a way of selling to the public without actually holding on to any stock whatsoever. That means the risks are much lower, which is great. And that sounds easy, right? This all sounds pretty simple. Well, nothing comes without hard work, research, and time. However, if you do want to get started with drop shipping, you should probably start by going to Spocket.co. That's where I'd recommend you to begin. What that does, it's Spocket.co. It allows you to do the product research that is required so you can have a profitable drop shipping business. And then you can sell those products with ease using their assistance and choose from some phenomenal products to sell on the web. The link is in my description below, and I wish you the best of luck in your new path.